Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. This is my Dumas Ercoupe, which Dumas bought this model from Berkeley, which bought it. Berkeley was taken out by Comet, and then later on became Dumas aircraft model airplane balls of kits. Dumas is owned by somebody else. I don't know who it is, but I think they're privately owned now. It's a laser cut kit. You can buy it on the Dumas site, and I'll put a link in the description box in the description box below. This is their Ercoupe. It's a really nice kit. It's laser cut balls of wood. You can see the plane is all put together now. I think I made a couple of live videos about it. I've got the elevator on. I had to re-glue this on because it popped off. I made my own stabilizer out of 1/8 inch balls of wood. I should have made it thicker, I think. But I think for this plane being so light, I think it'll be fine. I've got a stability safe style receiver in this. It's a Spectrum AR636A. Once the throttle is activated, the plane goes into a stability style mode, so it's got wind mitigation on it. If the plane bounces left and right, it'll try and stabilize it. This is a three-channel aircraft. Aileron, elevator, and throttle. That's it. But as you can see, I'm now putting the plexi on it. The acetate, what's it called? The clear plastic around the canopy. The center portion of this canopy will not be plastic. It will actually be foam. I will put foam in the middle, and I'll just paint it blue, or I'll just keep it white. I don't know what I'll do. But just so I can remove it and put it on so I can put the battery inside. Everything works. It's got a steering nose gear, which I got from another aircraft somebody threw out. So I put a steering nose gear on it, as you can see there. I've already done a taxi test with it. It taxis really well, tracks real well on the ground. I beefed up the landing gear a little bit. It has the foam wheels that it came with. It is really a light little flyer, so it will not be flying anytime soon unless it is like there's like a breath of wind. But that's how it looks now. It's just sitting on the little stand that I have made for it. This is a stand that I got for a boat that I have down below this workbench. That's another project that needs to be done. But I wanted you guys to take a look and see how it looks to you. But yeah, it's a great kit. I'll put a link in the description box below. That's it for now. Model Man Frank out.